looks really weird right now, but I just put water and I put creamy. I think I need to make more peanut butter, baby. Because I want it to be watery.
Okay, you can more now.
It smells really good though.
And then when we add the
biscuit.
the biscuit is probably gonna help with that too.
Bisquick. Mukbang.
Either this might be a new creation, but it's gonna be good.
Yeah, we're really trying this out, you guys. We have no idea. We saw some videos, so we really wanted something sweet, slightly healthy. But more so, we wanted something sweet to snack on. And we're like, we got some biscuit. Let's just make our own cookies.
I've seen so many recipes, but no eggs, no milk, no oil, so many things. So we'll make something.
Yeah, because we're going to make the best of, what's in your kitchen and your cupboards, especially with the snow day. Make the best. All right, and then I'm going to add do I add the Bisquick next, or do I add the maple syrup?
The Bisquick.
Okay.
But I just don't think you can't go wrong with it.
Don't worry, guys. I have another box right behind it. Don't worry. They're probably going to be looking like, what kind of cookie they making? Okay, so I'm just going to stir it in as I go, you guys, because I don't want to make... Well, I'm already making a mess, but, So, that goes in there.
Well, it's coming together. It's doing something. It looks like it's actually forming.
Hey, let me this Cutco.
Yeah.
I be done broke the fall. Oh, we still good, y'all. This Cutco nice. They don't be playing. Okay, so I need to make it a cookie though, so I gotta add some more biscuit, of course. Like, y'all know. I don't want to waste any peanut butter. Because there's people out here that, they don't eat, so I don't want to waste nothing. I don't like wasting any food.
Peanut butter. No jam.
No jam. Put in the comments below if you ever seen King of Comedy.
Make myself a sandwich.
A sandwich.
Oh my god. Oh my
Fix myself a sandwich.
That is so funny.
We're very silly, you guys. Especially when we want something to eat. Alright. Another box of Bisquicks.
I can't remember how much Bisquick.
Please let me know, babe, because I'm just going to pour stuff in.
Let me try to find out before we go too far.
Okay. I'll just be pouring. Okay, I won't put a lot.
Yeah, it's probably the Commando burger.
Oh, put in the comments. That's disrespectful. Put in the comments below. It's something fell on my shirt.
Oh, it is.
Put in the comments below if you've ever watched Good Burger. This is for my 90s babies. Like my real 90s babies. I don't mean 1999. I'm talking about my 90s babies, like back in the day when we had all that. You know what I'm saying? Good Burger. Comment below if do you remember Guts? That was my chef. I used to watch Figure It Out. Oh, can y'all see? I'm not even showing y'all. Okay, but I think it's looking a little bit lumpy. We need it to be a cookie. Oh, it has to be in the freezer. That's right. We gotta cool it. But I want it to be more of like a thicker consistency. Maple syrup done.
Yeah, I think we can work what we got.
Alright. That's enough. I won't put too much. They're gonna be like, what are they doing? We don't know. We're just gonna let the Lord lead.
Sure.
Oh, it smells good. Okay, yeah, we need some more biscuit. This is too lumpy, babe.
14.
Maybe I should add some milk.
Actually, I think that was enough biscuit that we put in there because it's 1 cup.
1 cup?
So
this ain't no cookie though. This is like gunk. Oh Lord, what did I do?
We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make nothing.
Alright, babe, I'm gonna have to add some of these oats up in here.
Yeah, we're gonna add some oats in there.
Because it's looking a little bit crazy.
Let me see. Well, we still got the.
It smells so good though, y'all. Like
you had the syrup already, then you had the syrup.
I added a little bit. I didn't put too much syrup.
And then what's that vanilla stuff at?
Oh yeah, that might make it. I might put some sugar. Let's see, put some sugar. This has honey in it.
The vanilla stuff.
I know you're gonna get this vanilla stuff. Are you excited about the vanilla stuff? I got this for one of our wedding presents. It's from Starbucks. It's like vanilla.
That's vanilla. We only put in
that's
a tablespoon.
That's what a drop. I don't know what a tablespoon is, but I just put it. This is you're supposed to have fun. That probably made it so sweet.
That's gonna be good.
This is your batch, babe. You like peanut butter cookies.
Worst case scenario, we'll make this be like a.
Hey, I need more biscuit.
No. Okay.
Babe, that ain't no cookie dough. I need it to be a cookie dough.
Oh gosh. Babe,
I need it to see. There we go.
We'd also make a peanut butter brownie if it turns into it.
Well, that's fine. But it needs to be.
Not a bad idea, actually.
Ladies, make sure your husband listens to you.
What you talking about? I'm listening.
I'm talking about like adding, but it needs to be, like this is ice cream. We need it to be a cookie dough.
I like ice cream. Ooh,
I know
ice cream.
You
You put that in the freezer and make the ice cream.
It'll be yours. I don't want no peanut butter ice cream.
It's not a bad idea at all.
Oh Lord. All right, let me just put a little bit of oats because it's looking crazy.
Oats, boats, and bananas.
I need to look like a cookie up there. We got up there. This is cream of wheat, maple brown sugar, oats.
Oats,
That's walnuts? Oh, God. Why is there walnuts in here? Okay, let's see how that feels. I'm not going to put the whole pack. I just want to...
That's probably going to make the consistency, stronger.
Okay.
You're getting somewhere.
Well, that wheat, that helps.
And then, the heat's going to clearly make it, get solidified.
What heat? This thing is going to be like a noodle. Well, I guess when we put it in the freezer for like 15 minutes, that could help. So I'm going to leave it in the 15 minutes while I make the other batch. I'm making oatmeal raisin cookies for me, you guys. My baby loves peanut butter, so I do his first. Look better now?
That was good, baby.
Well, this does not look like cookie dough. It does not look like cookie dough.
Our cookie dough.
Okay.
This might be gingerbread.
I should have asked for a mixer for Christmas. I forgot. Let me see.
Oh boy.
I want to make sure everything. But are you aiming at the camera? We need our own TV show. Okay.
8 cookies per shot.
8 cookies? Oh Lord, this might be 2 cookies. What is? I don't know. I still got biscuit mix. That's not even like. Hold on. Are you? I'm trying to go to the camera.
Okay, yeah, I forget me.
Does it look better now?
Hey, look good, baby.
It's so watery to me. Oh, it's a little bit thicker now. That is not cookie dough.
Might make a cookie brownie.
This ain't even the consistency for a brownie. That's the problem. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer for like 15 minutes and see what happens. If it comes out looking crazy. I don't know, y'all. It's kind of soft. Alright. Just using a cooking spread. Now I'm gonna use a spoon. I don't have an ice cream scoop, so I'll just use a regular spoon.
Oh, this looks good. That's rating at 3. What was it? 3 something? Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Man, look at that, baby. Got raisins in there. Oatmeal raisins. Is it a cookie?
It's kind of gritty though.
That's because of all the oats and all that stuff.
Oh, okay.
It's our little creation.
Is that even the same size as the...
The good thing about this, I'm trying to think. When you make oatmeals, do you cook?
Make oatmeals? You're so cute. Do I what, babe?
What you call it? The oatmeal stuff. You cook that, right? Yes, you the hot water, hot milk, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right.
But you can eat it raw too. So technically, everything we're in, we can eat raw too, because it's biscuit mixing.
I don't know about if we can eat vegetable oil though. I don't know if that's a good idea, baby. Oh, these made more than I thought. Oh Lord, yours is gonna make like 24. Oh my God, I'm gonna make yours big.
I make mine to a gigantic cookie.
That's why I got you the big piece over there.
It might be a cookie cake.
I pray these don't need biscuit.
Yeah, you get pouring it in there.
Ah.
Just more biscuit mix. More biscuit mix and more biscuit mix.
I mean, it just, I want it to be a cookie dough.
Somewhere Gingy saying, "What about me?"
Nah. Somewhere Sam's like, go back to Bob.
Christmas already right.
I think I did
It
good,
looks
guys.
good. I'm excited.
I mean, it looks like cookie dough to me. Of course, it's not like the actual, like the actual cookie dough, you guys. But for a fresh starter, I mean, I'm not into. Oh Lord.
Oh, I thought about something. I mean, if we wanted to, we could remember the old trick with the fork where you make the lines, but that's usually with peanut butter. So that's not the.
Yeah, I'm doing that with yours. Yours is more fancy. Mine is just looking like crazy.
Well, I'm excited about you. The raisins. I mean, the ingredients are really good.
It's a little gritty.
I'm really excited. I mean, we made homemade cookies here.
Yeah, man. We did it together.
Yeah, baby.
So I'm gonna make like 9.
I see. Then we got cookies left over. We can, that we left for next time or something.
Yeah, because we could just freeze them. Uh-oh, I didn't make them the same size.
Look at that. So we got the oatmeal raisin cookie surprise balls on the top. And then we got the peanut butter cookies on the bottom.
And my baby did an amazing design on the cookies. Good job, baby.
We got them in the oven, so we'll see what it's like when they come out.
Okay, so for our first batch of cookies, they look pretty good, y'all. I did have to smash them down because they were looking like a biscuits earlier. But, I mean, considering they look pretty good, we're going to let them sit and cool. But they're oatmeal raisin cookie, like, kind of tea cakes, biscuits, and, yeah. I just pray they taste really good. My hubby, he's so supportive. He says they're going to taste amazing. The raisins look good. I can smell the walnuts from the oatmeal. Like some walnuts. But it looks really good, you guys. So,
yes, like oatmeal.
Now my husband has a fancy design. Ooh, yours are looking good, man. Those look like cookies. See that, y'all? He's real fancy. So we're just gonna believe that they taste good. We're excited. All right, guys. So our cookies looking good, and they're very, very soft.
Oh, man.
So I'm gonna put some on the plate. And we're gonna have a look at that. Look at that. Wow. It's beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna show like look at that.
Oh man. Ooh.
It's gooey.
Wow.
So I'm gonna put some of these other ones on here. Just to have a little snack. We might want some more, so I'm gonna put a couple of more.
Oh man.
We might not eat them all, but so we have a little cookie. There we go. I think they're cool.
And time to enjoy.
Yay! Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.